Title of the story: Sam and Max, A Lesson in Kindness. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a little boy named Sam. He had a loving dog, Max, who was his best friend. Every day, they played together, but one day, Sam got upset because Max accidentally knocked over his favorite toy. In anger, Sam shouted at Max and sent him away. Max, with his ears drooped, quietly left and sat outside. That night, a terrible storm came, and Sam couldn't find Max anywhere. Worried, Sam ran into the rain, calling for his friend. Finally, Sam found Max hiding under a tree, cold and scared. With tears in his eyes, Sam hugged him tightly. "I'm so sorry, Max," he whispered. Max wagged his tail, forgiving him instantly. From that day, Sam learned that love means being patient and kind, even when you're upset. He promised to never let his anger hurt those he loved again. The end.